So before we begin our project, it's important that you have a working version of Autodesk Maya so that you'll be able to follow along with the project. If you've not yet installed Autodesk Maya, you can go to autodesk.com, direct to the products page, and look for Maya under the products list. Once on the Maya page, you can navigate to the free trial section, and there you'll be able to select your operating system and download and install the latest 30-day trial version of the software. Now, just a few tips for installation success. Be sure to select the Installation Help section before installing Autodesk Maya. There's a few things that you may need to do to prepare your system in order for a successful installation. So you can watch this Prepare Your System video, and it's very important that if you're using Windows that you disable the user account control. And this is for Windows 7 or for Windows 8. You have links available to see how exactly how to do that. So once again, watch this Getting Ready, Preparing Your System video, and then you'll be able to download and install the 30-day free trial. So if you need to, at this time, pause the video, download and install Autodesk Maya, and then you'll be able to resume with this quick start video series.